Hey everyone, today I'm going to work on stabilizing the workbench from side to side motion and adding a shelf on the bottom. Join me and thanks for watching. Alright guys, so I got the first board in there and now I got to cut the MDF to fit. So I'm just making a shelf directly over that board and the backboard. Should be easy. Let's cut this MDF. Okay guys, so this back is 96 inches long and the front is 96 and a half, so I didn't make it completely square. So I'm shaving off, this is 97 inches long, so I'm shaving off a ½ inch at the back and an 1/8 inch at the front on both sides. That should bring it down to 96 and 96 and a half. All right, let me give this a shot. All right guys, the plan worked. Just gotta screw her down flat now and we'll be good to go. Let me screw it down. All right guys, I got the shelf in. I've got to do some more organizing now that I've got all this stuff out from that. So let me just quickly organize. So let's see what I can do. All right, I'm gonna get these sanded up, but the plan is to attach them right there, and then I'll screw the pegboard into these pieces of 2x4. So I have one probably somewhere around there, and then one near the top. So, all right, let me get them sanded. Okay guys, I got the 4 pieces sanded and ready. I'm gonna lay them in, drill 2 screws in this way. So there'll be a screw here, and I'll drill 1 from the back from the pegboard in. So 2 holding it in this way, 1 holding it in that way, right in the middle. All right, let's get to it. I gotta pre-drill some holes and start screwing these in. Okay guys, I got some 2-inch screws here that I'll be using to drill the 2x4s in, screw them in. And I found a couple of these self-tappers with a pretty wide head and a washer to hold the actual pegboard itself in. So let me get to that. Take 2. All right, guys, that's on. I thought it would be enough, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to put a little brace there in the center. So what I'll do is I'll build a shelf right here, right across here, and then another one up a little bit higher. So I'll have two 2x4s going across there, and then I'll screw that into that shelf. Hopefully that'll be enough. All right, let's do it. Okay guys, a little update here. I've screwed on these two 2x4s that are gonna act as shelves, and then I'm gonna screw the pegboard into the back of them because you can see it's a little bit wobbly at the moment. So I'm gonna use these two 2x4s as my tie-in points for this pegboard. All right, let me get behind here and screw the pegboard on. All right guys, so I managed to squeeze back in there and get a couple screws in place. This thing is now a whole lot more sturdy. I can't really move it at all. There's a couple spots where it's a little bit more. I got one right in the center, but it's looking pretty good. I think I can hang stuff on this. So we're gonna use it for now, and if I have to do some more, I'll do some more. All right, let me set up a time lapse and let's start organizing. I bought a bunch of pegboard organizing stuff. Haven't even opened it, so let's see what I bought and get to organizing all my tools. Alright guys, I finally finished organizing, as you can see from the time lapse. I finally got some bench space so I can start working on my next project. So let's see what project I can get up to next, and thanks for watching.